Hey John, just here to restock the shelves.
Oh, we got a new high-tech vending machine for you.
Oh man, I can't wait to see this. Thank you. All right, high tech. Okay. All right. This top rack has a few openings. How's this gonna work? Okay. Okay. Go. This is not gonna work. How's this gonna work? Big bulky stuff. We'll just put it up there for now. All right. Go.
Not every inventory management system out there is one size fits all. Most are just antiquated relics. With ShelfAware, you're only limited by the size of your building. Our smart packaging creates a virtual vending machine in your warehouse. With real-time tracking, an innovative approach, and room to grow, ShelfAware has you covered.